In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable ad blocker on Google Chrome. We will walk through the exact settings on the mobile app so regular ads can show while you still keep annoying pop-ups in check. And fine-tune your ad privacy. This works on Android and, in many cases, on iPhone as well, though some options may look a little different depending on your device and Chrome version. Start by opening the Chrome app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap the three dots to open the menu. Then tap Settings. From here, scroll down until you see Site Settings and tap it. This is where Chrome controls what websites are allowed to show and do. Next, tap Intrusive Ads. This setting is Chrome's built-in ad blocker for disruptive or misleading ads. To let websites show ads and effectively disable Chrome's ad blocking, turn the Intrusive Ads toggle on so ads are allowed. Depending on your version, you might see wording like allowed. The key idea is that you are permitting ads here rather than blocking them. Now go back one level to Site Settings and tap Pop-ups and Redirects. Even if you are allowing ads, pop-ups and automatic redirects can still be frustrating. Set this to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. This keeps your browsing cleaner and prevents sudden jumps to new pages. Without turning off normal on-page ads, head back to the main settings screen and tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Ads Privacy. Here, choose Ad Topics and toggle off Ad Topics. This doesn't block ads, it simply tells Chrome not to personalize ads based on your inferred interests. You will still see ads, which is what we want for disabling the ad blocker. But they won't be tailored from topic categories. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see some of these options on iPhone, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. iOS manages some browser controls differently, so certain site settings may be limited. Also, after changing these settings, it can help to close and reopen Chrome. Then visit a site that normally shows ads to confirm everything's working as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.